Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Isley, and I'm just bringing a quick update video of kind of where I'm at on my um, Hangman game development series that I was doing. So I started off with pure Python, and I still want to stay focused on coding. So I wanted to do the next video as a framework. So I went with PyGame, and I spent the first couple of days building graphics. So here's kind of what I came up with. But this is going to be like my starter screen. Nothing on the post for Hangman, and then the pictures are a little jumbled up. But it would next, if you got ants wrong, go to the head, body, and then one arm, two arms, and then the legs, kind of. And the images are jumbled up at the moment. But so that's kind of what I was thinking for the graphics, and I went with a full screen because every time I blid an image, I didn't want to worry about moving individual pieces around on my game board, I guess you could call it. So I figured it'd be easier just to update the entire background when the player gets an answer wrong. And then kind of where I'm at on my code right now. See if I can scroll down here. But so I just have a quick to run the program just while run. It's going to run my game logic for event in PyGame. Basically, just this will allow me to quit the game. The issue I'm running into right now is for my game logic. I have the global secret word. That's just the word that the game automatically picks for me after the player chooses a category. It's going to update the display list, showing what the player can see. Actually, I decided to take that out, so I'll take that out now. For category, it's going to use the home screen definition. So for home screen definition, it's just asking for a user input here, and then it's going to return the choice. It's going to save that choice to the category, and then it's just going to blit the first screen because I want the home screen to have its own buttons and everything, and then after that, it'll put the game screen on the window. For the secret word, it's going to take that category choice, send it up to my computer choice definition, which is right here, and I have card type, fruits, veggies, and colors, and then it's going to pick whatever category I chose, and then it's going to dot random that list and add it into, and then push it back to the secret word. And then once the secret word is returned, it's going to use this to kind of turn it into spaces and dashes, or excuse me, underscores. And then the part I was having an issue with is my key press. So once I want the player to be able to hit the key, and I was kind of testing this on its own, but I added it into my game logic. I put key.press at the end, or key press at the end. And what I'm running into is it's kind of just looping this part of the code. It's not really entering this definition. So I got to figure out what's going on. Right now, I was thinking if I had a event equals pygame.event get, that it would kind of wait for me to hit key down. I've tried pygame.event wait up here, and then that way it'll like wait for the next event, but it doesn't seem to be going through any of this code at the moment. So that's kind of where I'm at. I just want to put an update out there. If you kind of want to continue watching my progress, drop a subscribe, like the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.